Oh my God. I'm tired, my heart. Ginger flyer take me. I just want to get this intro right. Hey everybody, what's up? It's your girl China K, and welcome to this week's episode of the On My Mind series. Last week's episode, I was in Jamaica and I was able to ask Jamaicans, hey, what do you think America is like? But now that I'm back in America, I figured I'll ask people here, what do you think Jamaica is like? Me don't know about you, but personally, I'm tired for people that ask me if we have TV at Jamaica, if we have cable at Jamaica, if we have running water at Jamaica, and if we live in a house at Jamaica. I mean, remember even one time a math professor said to me, Carrie, you're Jamaican, right? And I said, yeah. And she looked at me and said, oh my God, but your English is so perfect. Let me tell you something. If I could have back on her, would have back on her, but I didn't really want to pass the class. But if she thinks that way, I wonder what other Americans think Jamaica is like. So I set out to ask them. Me I enjoy the red stripe, yeah? Me I play some domino and kill them with some double six. You guys check out what people had to say about what they think Jamaica is like.
Jamaica's a really ghetto, messed up place where a lot of real things happen. It's fucked up because you've never experienced the hood until you've been to the hood in Jamaica. I got robbed. I got robbed. Hardcore. I got robbed. But Blue Mountain, that's life. But no, it's hood. It's struggle. It's real. That's living mouth to hand to mouth, paycheck to paycheck, because they don't see a paycheck.
Jamaica nice, Jamaica airy. Just be safe in Kingston. Kingston's gully side for nothing.
I've never been there, but I never heard anything bad there either.
The slang is patois, right?
I know it's an island nation, and I know it's in the Atlantic Ocean. It's known for pot, supposedly, even though it's illegal there, but it's still legal to grow. No need to fear atomic energy, because nothing can stop the time.
Haiti is the capital of Jamaica. Is that correct? I said Haiti is the capital of Jamaica, right?
And they have like salt. Don't they have a lot of salt? They produce some of the world's, I think, the most salt in the world.
Isn't Beanie Man from Jamaica? Did they get their independence in the 50s or the 60s? That might be Haiti. I don't know.
They smoke a lot of weed in Jamaica.
Weed and dreads.
Jamaica is a beautiful island, and there's a gift and a curse on every island. There's the good side, as they say, and the bad side, which is the poor side. That's all I know, but I know there's some hardworking people, and they got some good blood over there, so I've been told.
A lot of weed smoking, a lot of erotic dancing, and dreads.
They have the fastest runners ever. They're amazing, and that it's a wonderful vacation spot.
I know Sean Kingston is from Jamaica. Beautiful girls.
Bob Marley. And Bob Marley. I wanna love you. We're together. And the other is no sientas preocupación, pues todo alrededor verá que va a estar bien. Baby, don't worry.
Nothing and weed and weed. That's pretty much it, but I do want to go to Jamaica.
I only know Sean Kingston, beautiful girl.
Kingston's in Jamaica.
They have festival and Ackee and Sawfish.
Paradise and palm trees.
I think it would be a lot of fun. I think it's, my sisters went and they said that it was a lot of drinking and a lot of fun parties and a lot of green therapy. So I would like to go.
I love me Jamaica. Rich with people, and it's a beautiful country.
Pretty interesting answers, right? Sound off in the comments and let me know your thoughts. And remember to subscribe and tell a friend to tell a friend and subscribe. Peace!